All right, guys, today's Bellwork. You're going to put this on Wednesday. Make sure you write down everything that I write down. All right, throwing it back to proportions really quick. It says 3 tickets to a show cost $13.20. So we're going to put 3 tickets on top, $13.20 on the bottom. Remember, your first sentence is your first fraction. Your second sentence is your second fraction. So if I put tickets on top, I've got to keep tickets on top. If I put money on the bottom, I've got to keep money on the bottom. So now it says find the cost of 7 tickets. So I'm looking for the cost of 7 tickets. All right, so now that I know this is how we would set it up, I'm going to go look at these answer choices. Well, answer choice A has 3 over 7. Answer choice B has 3 over C or X. Answer choice C has 3 over 1320 like we did, but it has the variable on the top. And look, we put the variable on the bottom. So that is not the same. And then answer choice D has 3 over X or C. So what we're going to do, because we know that the way we set it up is correct, we're going to look at our cross products. If we went to multiply this, we would multiply 13.20 times 7, and then we would divide by 3. So what we're going to look at is the answer choices that have the same cross products. So on answer choice A, 7 is being multiplied by 3, 1320, and divided by 3. That's exactly what happened to us. So right now, I think that's the answer. Let's look at the rest of them. This has 7 and 3 being multiplied. That is not what we had. This has 7 and 3 being multiplied. That is not what we had. And this has 3 and 13.20 being multiplied. That is not what we had. So answer choice A is the same as ours. So we're going to write that down as well. All right, same thing on number 2. It says Pedro goes 180 miles in 4 hours. So we're going to go 180 miles over 4 hours. Miles stays on top. Hours stays on the bottom. All right. What proportion can be used to find the number of hours it will take him to drive 135 miles? So I'm going to put miles here. We don't know how many hours, so I guess we'll call it H. And if I look at my answer choices, A has 180 over 4 and 135 over H, which is exactly what we said. So there we go. There's our answer. Okay, so the second one was actually easier because our answer choice matched their answer choice. But on the first one, our answer choice here was not listed, but we know it's correct. So we had to find the answer choice that multiplied the same 2 numbers and then divided by the other. And that was answer choice A. That is Wednesday's Bellwork. Tomorrow you will turn in your Bellwork for a grade, so make sure you have it all.